I'm coming on here real quick to go ahead and show y'all what I got today. I'm gonna show you some of the stuff I got. I didn't do pickup orders so that I could show you guys like the entire like grocery haul, like, and actually show you the stores, because I know a lot of people said they never been to Aldi before. So I was like, let me go ahead and don't mind this, I don't be going to Arby's. But anyways, yeah, what was I saying? So basically, I just wanted to actually go to the stores to show y'all like what all these looks like and things like that, and to also let y'all see what I'm getting today for my grocery haul. So here we go.
Hey y'all, so this is Aldi. It's giving very much farmers market. I was looking at the cotton candy grapes. I just wanted to put y'all on, like, if you have not had those, girl, try them. They good. I don't get them all the time, but they're good for like a, you know, just to say you tried it. I really don't fool with Aldi's produce at all. I just had to go there anyway, so I was like, let me just see what they have, and I didn't leave with anything but a cucumber, and got home and the cucumber was already mushy. So yeah, I didn't get that. So you'll see here that I'm marking out the food as I grab it. It is essential to plan out your meal prep the week prior, so when you go to the store, you're in and out, you're knowing what you're going to eat, you have it together, and everything is good to go. You guys, so now we're going to go into the Aldi haul. Like I said, a lot of people don't be like having Aldis in their area. Brody, get out, please get out. But anyways, a lot of people don't be having Aldi in their area, but you should have something like it, like Save a Lot or Food for Less or something like that. But just because it's like a cheaper alternative, like all these bags of food right here, big bags, you have to pay for the bags too, was, how much was it? I think it was $42, but you'll see how much food comes out of these bags. So I'm gonna try to hold the camera and record when I'm taking out the bags at the same time. Just 1 second. Let's get started. Mushy. First thing I have is a cucumber again. I use this with my Brody. Get out. Go. I use this instead of having like crackers or bread with my tuna salad. I just use these for the crackers. It's so good. Or just set it on top of the crackers. Amazing. I got some rice cauliflower, and this was only $1.29 for the bag, I believe, like $1.29. I got 2 bags of broccoli florets, and all these are steamable. I like their broccoli florets because they're actually florets. It doesn't have those big pieces of the stalk that you can barely chew or, like, you know, almost break your teeth on them. So I did get that. I got some yogurts. They have the Greek yogurts. These are only 59 cents per thing, and they're pretty big. Like, they're not little at all, but it's 59 cents. And this Greek yogurt is really, really good. It got like real fruit on the bottom. So I got the strawberry one. I got the toasted coconut vanilla. And a blueberry one. So those would be good little snacks or whatever. And then I got 2 of the fresh ground turkey. 93% lean, 7% fat. Excellent source of protein, blah, blah, blah. We know what turkey meat is. But when you guys go to get your turkey meat, check the top. Like if this little like plastic part is like bubbled up, like I don't have that kind, but if it's like bubbled up, then the turkey meat is old or like air or something got into it. But you see, like, this is still fresh and pink, and the top part is not even coming up at all. So you want to make sure to pay attention to that. So I got 2 of those, and you'll see in the meal prep what those are for. On to bag number 2, I got almond milk, vanilla. That stuff good too, y'all. Like, don't sleep on them just because it's cheaper. Then I got a big old thing because I have some stuff to make smoothies, which they also sell there. So I got a big thing of, it ain't Greek. Oh, I thought this was Greek yogurt. It's all right. It's going into smoothies, so it's okay. Because I wanted to start having smoothies and stuff like that with like flax seeds and all that. I'll also make a video. I'm going to do this, like show you guys what I got. And then I'm also going to show you my dinner and lunch and all that. So you'll see me make a smoothie. But then I got the Italian mineral water by Pure Aqua. Girl, this stuff good. People be sleeping on Aldi, but it's good and it's cheap. This is only $1, so it's good. Then this is like $4.50, but it's worth it. They sell this at Walmart and stuff too. But it's the Califia. I don't know, but it's an oat creamer, so it's good. That's what I use with my coffee, and I don't put sugar or nothing like that in there. If I do, it's coconut sugar, but most of the time it's just this creamer. And then I was able to find avocado ranch, salad dressing, and it does have to be refrigerated, so we know that it doesn't have preservatives. At least I don't think it does. I think I posted, like, in this video, you'll see where I looked at the ingredients, and they're all real. So does it have sugar? It has 1 gram, but no included sugar, so that's good. Yeah, so that's pretty good. I really just got this for my vegetables that I be getting, because I'm trying to start eating more like cucumbers and stuff like that. So, and then we got 1 more of the Italian sparkling water. Got that bag over there. And then in the last bag, we got, well, these go crazy. So it's white cheddar cheese puffs. These was in the last video. Like I said, it looked like it's for kids, but it's not. It's for adults. And it's good. And then, you know, I got a little sweet tooth, so I try to stop, Brody. Try to do what I can. So this box of these, you get 6 in the box, and it's only like $1.49. But anyways, these are dark chocolate cherry granola bars. So good, cheap, and it don't got all that crazy stuff in there either. Yep, from looking and reading, I don't see nothing crazy, do y'all? Oh, that's like high maltose corn syrup. Hey, look, you gotta live. And so the last thing I got was some organic cage-free eggs. So yeah, everybody know what eggs are. So all of this food right here was about, I think it was $42. I don't think that's that bad, because if I would have tried to get this somewhere else, it would have been a lot more than that, especially when you getting like into the mineral water, almond milk, big old yogurt. That would have been $5 by itself, and then all this other stuff. So it was pretty good. So what y'all see next is me basically going ahead and cooking all this up for like a meal prep. I still have to go to Publix. Like I said, usually so this stuff is from Walmart, and so I got mayo with the olive oil. I could probably get a better brand, but this is what I have for now. This is to go in the tuna salad that I'm going to make for my lunch for the week. And then I have the sweet relish. They had a sugar-free one, but it basically still had sugar in it, just like the fake sugar or whatever. And I don't really fool with that. So it just has the cornstarch, distilled vinegar, things like that. I do see yellow number 5, and xanthan gum, but nevertheless, I'll find an alternative for that. I need a paprika, and then I do have a Keurig, so I do like the decaf. I really don't do caffeinated coffee. I might do like half caf, but most of the time it's decaf coffee, so I got that. And then what I eat almost every single morning is the maple brown sugar oatmeal. I just have like 2 packs of that and just some hot water, and literally am full for like 4 or 5 hours. And then to go with my sweet potatoes, I had got some light brown sugar to put with those. I don't use a lot at all. Like, this will probably last me a year. I don't use a lot of brown sugar at all, but I do like sweet potatoes. So yeah, that's what I got from Walmart. I've pretty much seen everything that I got and everything that I usually get. I still have to go to Publix. I usually do like a pickup, but since I wanted to show y'all the stores and make it more interactive and actually take y'all along with me, I actually went to the stores and went and got all the stuff. So the next thing we'll be doing is going to Publix. And girl, this is a whole journey. This is too much. That's why I just do pickup orders. I'd have been done like 2 hours ago. But I'm gonna go ahead and go to Publix to get the rest of the produce and yeah, the fruits and vegetables. And okay, for all my sugar-free girls, here is some sugar-free dressing that they had at the store. I've never seen it before, but there you go. So I'm back from Publix, and like I told you guys, I will let you guys know what I got. And I got all of this stuff right here. It was $40, but you know, buying fruits and vegetables and produce is kind of expensive. So I got this watermelon already cut up, because I'm not cutting up no watermelon, and it was buy one get one free, so I only spent like $4 on this, which was good. I got some cherries. Look how many you get, but baby, they was $9, but it's okay because cherries go crazy, and when you need a little snack or something. This is what I've been telling y'all. I be getting the Jello pudding. You can get the sugar-free or the regular, and I get this, and I probably eat like one a day, and I put dark chocolate chips in it. And like, I used to eat ice cream all the time, so to substitute that out, I just eat this, like, and it hasn't stalled my weight loss at all or anything like that. I did not add this to my diet until like I was already down like 30 pounds though. So that's when I added it after that, because I'm like, okay, I know how to do everything in moderation now. Sugar ain't really no issue. So I went ahead and started adding the Jello. Like I said, I was making the tuna salad. So I had bought this big one because instead of getting like 5 of these small ones, I can get one big one and then just one small one. And you know, it'll make a lot. So then instead of having chips or crackers or something, I get the baby cut carrots, and I also get the celery. This celery right here, I'm gonna cut it down into smaller pieces, but eat that with like some that avocado ranch that I had got. And then I had got some sweet potatoes, and y'all saw earlier I had the brown sugar, so that's gonna go in the sweet potatoes when I mash them up. I also got bananas because we love those and we need them for our smoothie. Let's see what else we got. Don't mind the Jimmy John's, baby. I'm not about to cook tonight, but I got mushrooms because that's gonna go with the dinner, and it may be in some eggs or an omelet or something. I got me 2 Gala apples because who don't love an apple? Oh, y'all can't even see it, sorry. But yep, got 2 Gala apples, and then got some onion. And that's also going to be cut up and just stored, and it's going to go in the dinner. It's going to go in the tuna salad. It's also going to go in eggs. So, yep, that's pretty much all I got, you guys.
And when I come back, we'll pretty much just be talking about, or I'll be showing you guys all my meal preps. I'm going to show you how to make all the meals and what I eat in a day. All right.
And there you have it. Here's an overview of my meal prep. Low in sugar, carb friendly. The next meal prep I'll be doing will be a vegan one, which was requested by one of my subscribers. So thank you, girl. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.